Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another brand new video. In this video I will be showing you how you can control LED with your ESP using our mobile app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For making this project I have used ESP8266 module, small breadboard, LED bulb and 2 jumper wires. Now moving towards the connection part. Take your ESP module and take breadboard. Then connect your LED to your breadboard. After connecting your LED, take jumper wires and connect it to the LED. Negative leg will be connected to the ground pin of ESP module. Positive leg of LED will be connected to the D0 pin of ESP module. So that's all about the connection part. If you have any doubt related to connection part, you can comment it below. Firstly, we will set up our blynk app. So open any browser in your laptop and then go to Google and search for blynk, blynk. Then go with the first site, click on start trial. Now I have already created my account. If you have not created your account, then enter your Gmail. I have already created my account, so I will be logging it. After logging your account or creating your account, click on New Templates. Then enter the name of your template, making hardware as ESP8266, and then click on Done. Then go to data stream and create new data stream. Click on virtual pin. Name your virtual pin. Pin is equals to V0 and data type is equals to integer. Now click on web dashboard and drag switch. Now go to setting of switch. Then choose data stream which we have created. Now click on save. This is the mobile app which we'll be using for controlling it with your phone. I will explain you about mobile app later. Now save your page. Now go to search and then click on new device. Now click on from templates. Now choose your project. Like we have created our first project, so choose that. See, as you can see, our device is offline. Moving towards the coding part. Code link I have given in the description, you can download it from there. Open the ESP8266 code. After that, click on files and go to preference. Copy this URL and paste it to the additional board manager. After that, click on this, hit OK, then go to tools and go to board manager. Search for ESP8266. As I have already installed it, if you have not installed it, click on the install button. Click on sketch, then click on include library and then click on add zip library. Now we will import the library which I have given in the folder. Open your ESP8266 folder and then click on blynk library master. open it, it will automatically import it to your Arduino IDE. Then click again to the sketch, go to include library and click on add zip library. Now we will include the second zip file which I have given in the folder, which is ESP8266 Wi-Fi master. Import this library. After importing the library, open your blynk console and then copy this token. Only token you have to copy. And paste it here. After that, you have to enter the Wi-Fi name and the password of your Wi-Fi. Like I have connected to Siram BH3. Now go to the hotspot setting. Turn on your hotspot and check what is the name of your hotspot. Copy this name. Make the network band is equals to 2.4 GHz. Now enter your Wi-Fi name here. After that, go for the password of your hotspot. Now click on the board and click on the ESP board. Now choose NodeMCU 1.0 board. After that, check the port and then upload the code to your ESP. As you can see, ESP module has been connected to your mobile hotspot. If you find any difficulty to this, you can comment it below. As it is showing, your project is online.